Okay, 2.3, problems involving credit. So this is a line of credit pre-approved loan that offers immediate access to funds, and it's up to a predefined limit with a minimum monthly payment based on accumulated interest. So you can go to a bank and ask for a pre-approved loan to then go out and buy something. Merle and Kate are buying furniture worth $1,075 on credit. They know that they can make monthly payments of $75 and have 2 credit options. So which option should they buy? So a furniture store credit card, it's offering a $100 rebate off the purchase price and then charging you an annual or an interest rate of 18.7, and then they're compounding it daily. Okay, so we're going to do this in our calculator. So let's talk about all of the things we're going to need. Okay, so we don't know how many payments you'd have to take to pay it off. 18.7. So the previous value actually is $975 because we got $100 off. And the payments, we're going to go minus 75 each month. We want to end up at 0. Payments per year, we're going to make 12 monthly payments of $75, and we're going to compound it daily. Okay, so compounded daily. Okay, so we're going to type that in and solve. So apps finance VM solver 18.7 Okay, so the N is 14.65. Okay, so let's figure this out on our home screen. Apps, finance, we're going to take that number times $75, which means we end up paying that much over the 14. Okay, so a new bank credit card. So this time we know the interest is 15.4, and we still know we're doing 75. We want to end up at 0. We're making 12 payments per year, and it's compounded daily. So those are the same. Okay, but let's talk about what's happening. There's no interest for the first year. So during the first year, you're making $75 payments times 12. So you've paid off $900, and that's just gone. Like, that's off of your bill. So then what would you have left? That's all you have left. So that's actually the amount that you have to pay on your loan. Okay, so we're going to calculate that. Okay, so 15.4, 175, and I think that's the same. So it would take me 2.38 months. Okay, so we're going to say if you did another 2.38 months of paying $75, so apps, finance, that number of months times $75 each month, you pay another $178.84. So that's how much you pay on your loan, but don't forget you paid that $900 flat for the first month, right? So altogether now you're paying $1,078.84. So option B ends up being cheaper. Okay, and if you want to, sometimes if you're deciding loans, it might be because one took a shorter amount of time. Maybe you want to be done with it and moving on to something else. But you can see that this was a year and then 2 more months, and this was about the same. It's the same amount of time, but this one's cheaper, so going with B.